Hello, lovelies. Thank you for allowing me be on your beautiful faces again today. Welcome to this awesome training session. Today I'll be teaching you how to produce this very beautiful and transparent liquid detergent. And you know what? Believe that I did this with just 2 ingredients in less than 5 minutes. Yes, I produced this beautiful soap with just 2 chemicals, 2 ingredients in less than 5 minutes. And I'll be teaching you how to do that. It's a quick hack that you can use at home when you run out of your liquid detergent and you're not close by to buy. So let's jump right into the training. Okay, here we go. Like I said, I used just 2 ingredients. Here we have sodium lauryl sulfate, that's XLS chemical rice. I use 100 grams, and then I use sodium sulfate 150 grams. You can actually use between 120 and 150 grams, and then I use my water 1.5 liters. Imagine producing your liquid detergent with just 100 grams of SLS and you're making up to 1.5 liters of liquid soap. Just watch and see. This is what I did. I measured So I measured 1 liter of water first, and I poured in my XLS, my rice. It is ordinarily called chemical rice in the market. It looks like rice. Sodium lauryl sulfate. Remember, it is not sodium laureth sulfate, which is the SLES. That is what we call Texapon. This one I use just rice. And here I'll be dissolving my sodium sulfate with the remaining 500 ml of water. Remember, 1.5 liters of water. I used 1 liter to dissolve to make my SLS solution, and I'll be making my sodium sulfate solution with the balance 500 ml. This is what I am just doing here. I've added my sodium sulfate and I'm going to stir it until it is properly dissolved. Please be gentle so that it does not spill. With this hack, you can quickly produce your liquid detergent when you run out of, probably you run out of it at home. Even if you're not producing to sell, you want to use them at home and you find out that your son or your daughter comes and say, mommy, we don't have liquid soap. You can quickly do this and you have your soap to wash. If you have that chemical rice at home, it's a quick hack. Quick hack. It is time saving, it is money saving, it is very creative also and innovative. So just watch me and see the magic I'll be doing with just these 2 chemicals. So I'll just allow them to dissolve properly and I'll be back. This is after 30 minutes. Sodium lauryl sulfate is completely dissolved, and also our sodium sulfate. So what I'll just to mix both of them together. Like I said, we are doing this in less than 5 minutes. Just see what happens now. I'll just mix both of them together and my liquid detergent is ready. Voila! Just this. And I'll continue stirring. Stir and stir and stir until your mixture becomes as thick as you want it. In case you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Ogeshima Dukoma. I'm the lead trainer at Glomajor's Business School, where we teach you different skills and also help you to start up your business, especially in the area of bar soap making and other home essential products. I've added my color. It is actually optional. If you think you want to add color, then go ahead and add. I decided to add green color because I wanted you to see that it is possible. And I'll be adding a little bit of my fragrance also. Just add it to your taste and use any fragrance or color of your choice. So like I was saying, I do have online trainings and even physical trainings. So whichever one you want, just send me a WhatsApp message on the number on the screen or click the link in the description and you'll come to my WhatsApp direct or you get to my training pages. I'll also be leaving the full recipe of this beautiful soap in the description. So check it out and you'll see the full recipe there. And if you want my other product and services, you also see them in the description below. So here we go. We'll just cover it and allow it. This is After like 12 hours, our soap is completely set. See the beautiful soap we produce. Wow, can you see? See how shiny it is. See how thick it is, and see how beautiful and foamy it is. Very, very foamy and smelling very nice. And even if you think you want it to be thicker than this, you can decide to reduce your water. You can either use 1.5, 1.2 liters of water, or you use just 1 liter. It depends on you. Just be creative, do what suits you. But for me, this texture is fine. So see how beautiful. You see how shiny this soap is? Who would believe that we did this soap with just two chemicals? Just two chemicals. Chemical rice, like I would love to call it, and chemical salt, like I would love to call them. If you've seen my video where I taught you how to produce Texapon, I use those exact words: chemical rice and chemical salt, because actually sodium sulfate is a salt. It is actually called bitter salt. It is a salt, but it is not the sweet salt that we use at home. It is bitter salt. So here we go. Beautiful soap. You can put this together. Who said you cannot make soap? In less than 5 minutes, we are done. And you have soap to make at home. So please, if this is your first time on my channel, please do well to subscribe. And thank you for watching. Before I go, let me know, will you be trying this hack at home? Let me know in the comment section. Just tell me yes or no. I'll be trying this. Will you be interested in trying this? And if you want my ebook that teaches you how to produce about 30 different products, you get it using the link in the description. I'll see you in my next video.